Hi, my name is Steve. I'm with SafeBasements, and I'm here today to show you how to use some of the safety equipment you're going to need while installing our products. Safety glasses are one of the most common articles of protective equipment you'll use on the job. It's important to find a pair that fits comfortably and are shatter resistant. A good pair of safety glasses will protect you from debris that may get into your eyes while working. They should be worn always, especially when drilling, hammering, cutting, or grinding. A durable pair of comfortable gloves are your best friend on the job site, even better than Ricky. Gloves will protect your hands and should be worn when moving busted concrete, hauling equipment, digging, or using cutting tools. The face shield or dust mask is designed for light-duty use on the worksite. It should be worn securely and comfortably around the face and is designed for use in environments where dust or small particles can affect breathing. They should be used while drilling, hammering, cutting, or when air quality on the site might be less than ideal. In cases where a dust mask isn't cutting it, or there is off-gassing from chemicals, a respirator might be needed. A respirator should fit securely around your mouth and nose. Pull the straps near the front to make sure that you get a sealed and secure fit. In some situations, you'll need to wear a protective suit, especially if you're working with epoxies or other products that may be skin irritants.
Okay.
When working under heavy equipment, or in cases where a nearby structure is being reinforced, a hard hat should be worn. A hard hat should fit firmly on the head. To know if it's properly on, try lightly headbanging to your favorite late 80s metal band. Hearing loss is cumulative. Earplugs or other hearing protection should be worn whenever power tools or other excessively loud noises are being made. This also helps you ignore Ricky's phone calls. Finally, hard-toe boots. You must wear hard-toe boots always. A comfortable and durable pair can keep you out of the emergency room. If something dangerous is going to fall, your boots are the thing most likely to get hit. Thanks for watching. Taking a few minutes to make sure that you follow these steps could save you from an injury that could follow you around the rest of your life.